Okay, so welcome back. This is Ty again, and we're continuing our series on cloth diapering in an emergency or a budget sensitive situation. And today we are going to show you how to make your own fleece cover. This cover is super simple to make. I used the same blanket that I used to make the liners. I cut 3 strips for the liners and then I saved the last part, and that's what we're using today for the covers. And out of this, I ended up getting 2 covers out of it. At first, I wasn't sure if it was going to be thick enough with 1 layer, but I tried it and it worked. So I don't think I showed where I actually cut it, but the images of my son wearing them will have just the 1 layer. Um, yeah, so pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully this can help someone. I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to start to make the cover. This is a piece from the leftover blanket from when I cut the oversized liners. I marked off 5 sections. I cut 3 and saved 2, and opened it up and cut it in half. This is actually a reproduction. I had to redo it because the video got corrupted. But anyway, so I have approximately a 24-inch square. It's actually more like 23.5 by 25. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to be folding it and things. And so, anyway, we're going to start by marking off some grid lines. But the first thing you need to know is which direction has the stretch. So with this blanket, one direction stretches more than the other. And the one that has more stretch, that is going to be the front and back of your cover. Because this is where we're going to place the tabs to tie around the baby. So I'm going to mark off some grid lines and I'll be right back. All right, so if you can see, I drew a line 5 inches from the edge, 8 inches from the edge, 5 and 8, and then this line up here is 8 inches from this side, and the same on the other end. Okay, I just folded it in half. This is still the front and the back. That's our 5-inch line, our 8-inch line, 8, 5. And this is 8 inches from this edge. And I drew a little curve here. It's going from that 8-inch intersection and just curving out to the 5-inch on both sides. And we are going to cut from here, from the 5-inch up and curve around, and we're going to stop right here at that intersection on both sides. I'll be back with the scissors. And here we go. Just going to cut this on the 5-inch line and just curve that to the 8-inch. And we'll do the same on the other side. All right, and that's it as far as the cutting. You see I just cut that little curve on both sides. And now we are going to open it up, move everything out of the way. These flaps will fold in. Okay, now we are going to put the cover on the baby, and we'll start with lying down. The front side I tucked in, the back is just laying flat, and we start with lining that up so that the curve here will cover that. I'll pull it down a little more, and you just tie it. I like to tie it off to the side in case he's lying on his stomach. He won't have a knot right there. Hold on, baby. Hold on. I know, this is not comfortable. We're gonna make it quick. Yeah, I just want to make sure that the people can see. We want the people to be able to see. Yeah. Pull it tight between the legs. Make sure that I like to tuck it around. Hope I'm not blocking the camera. And then pull it tight. And the top part, just fold it down. Wrap around the back. And tie it wherever you want to tie it. It's my little lion. Yeah. And there we go. And here is our finished product. You can see it's all tucked around, and we're good to go. Thanks for hanging with Munch and me today. Stay blessed, be safe, and see you next time.